Hello students, today we will study some of the sum that is of exercise 5.3. This is the topic of standard 10, chapter number 5, arithmetic progressions. So today we will study the question number 4. And what is the question? The question is, how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636, right? So this is the question. Here we have given one AP and that AP is 9, 17, 25 dot dot dot. Now here we have given a sum of the first sum terms and that sum is of 636. We don't know how many numbers will be added here, right? How many numbers are added here, that we don't know, and that we have to find out that this addition is of how many numbers, right? Okay, so here we can write down the first term a is equals to 9, common difference d is equals to 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. Now we have the value of sum Sn. So we can use this formula of Sn, that Sn is equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now whatever we have, put all the values in this equation. So Sn is equals to 636, n by 2 remains as it is, 2, a is equals to 9, n minus 1, d is equals to 8. Okay, now this 636 remains as it is. Take this 2 inside the bracket, then what will happen? It will divide this term and this term, right? Because 2 is out of the bracket, so it will divide both the terms in the bracket. So n will remain as it is. Here 2 and 2 will cancel out, only 9 will remain, and here 4 will remain because 2 fours are 8. So here in the bracket we have remained 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. Now multiply this 4, we will get 4n minus 4. All other terms remains as it is. Now the simplification of both this term is 9 minus 4 is 5. 4n will remain as it is. So here we will get 636 is equals to n in the bracket 5 plus 4n. Now multiply this n in the bracket, we will get 5n plus 4n square. Now take this 636 to the right hand side, we will get 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equals to 0. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of n, and here we get an quadratic equation. So here we will get the two values of n. We can solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term method, or using the quadratic formula, or by completing the square. Okay, you can solve this quadratic equation by any method. So here we will use the splitting the middle term method. So multiplication of 636 and 4, whatever we get, we have to factorize that digit such that the subtraction of the factor will become the plus 5. So here we will get two factors, 53 and 48. So 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equals to 0. So we split, we write down 5n as 53n minus 48n. Now from this two term, n is the common, 4n plus 53 will remain in the bracket. From this two term, we can take minus 12 as a common. So here also we will get 4n plus 53. Now make a bracket of 4n and 53. Whatever they remain, n minus 12, make another bracket. That is equals to 0. Now compare this n minus 12 with the 0. We will get the value of n is equals to 12. And this value is a whole number. Yes. Then this value of n is possible. Okay. Another bracket is 4n plus 53 is equals to 0. Compare it with 0, we will get the value of n is equals to minus 53 upon 4, and this is not a whole number, so this value of n is not possible. So the possible value of n is equals to 12. That means our answer is 12. So the first 12 term addition of first 12 term of this AP is equals to 636. Okay. Okay, let us study the question number 6. And what is the question? Question is, the first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Okay, so here we have given the first term of an AP, that is equals to 17, and the last term of the AP is 350. Now we don't know the number of that last term. Let's suppose it is the nth number. So the value of last term, that is an, that is equals to 350. Now the common difference we have given, that is equals to 9. We have to find out that how many terms are there in this AP. Also we have to find the sum of the terms in the AP, that is equals to Sn. Whatever the n we get here, we have to add all the terms. So here we can use this formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, because first of all we have to find out the value of n. So here we have the value of the nth term. So we can use this value of an here, that is equals to 350, a is 17, n minus 1 remains as it is, and d is equals to 9. Now taking this 17 to the left hand side, we will get 333 is equals to n minus 1 into 9. Divide by 9, we get 37. 333 divided by 9, that is equals to 37, is equals to n minus 1. So that therefore we get the value of n is equals to 38. Now we have this value of n, that is equals to 38. That means we have to find out the sum of the first 38 term of this AP. So we can write down S38 is equals to, using the formula in which the first term and last term we know. So here we have the value of first term and last term. So we can use this formula, Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an. Now put the value, S38 is equals to 38 upon 2, a is equals to 17, and n is equals to 350. Now this is 19. The addition of both this we will get as a 367. So the addition of first 38 term, that is equals to S38, sum of the first 38 term we will get is equals to, by multiplying these two, we will get 6973. Okay, so in this way we can solve this type of sum. Okay. Okay, so let us study question number 7. And what is the question? Question is, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equals to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So here we have given the common difference, that is equals to 7, and the value of the 22nd term, that is equals to A22 is equals to 149. And we have to find out the sum of this first 22 term. Now here we can use one formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an, because the value of last term is here, but we do not have the value of the first term. So to get the value of the first term, we can use this value, right? So we can use the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So according to that, for 22nd term, we can write down it as a22 is equals to a plus 21 into d. Now the value of a22 is 149. A we don't know, 21 as it is, d is equals to 7. So now this 21 into 7 is equals to 147. 149 is equals to a plus 147. Take this 147 to the left hand side. What will remain? 149 minus 147, that is equals to 2. So in this way we get the value of a. Therefore the value of the first term is equals to 2. Now we have the value of the first term, value of the last term, and value of the n. So we can use now this formula, Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an. Now put down all the values. We will get Sn is equals to S22, n is equals to 22 upon 2. In the bracket, a is equals to 2 and a22 is equals to 149. So by here we will get the 11 because 2 11s are 22, and in the bracket 149 plus 2 is equals to 151. So by multiplying these two, we will get the value 1661. That is equals to the value of the sum of first 22 term of this AP. So S22 we get is equals to 1661. Okay, so in this way we can solve this type of problems in which we have to find out the sum of the AP whatever we have to ask. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.